This is the first question. He kept rubbing his wrinkled hands together. The question is here wrinkled is an example of an noun, participle adjective, past participle, or adverb. We have to answer the question what is considered here? The word wrinkled, a noun or a participle adjective, a past participle, or an adverb. Now consider participle adjective is a word which is in the form of present or past or participle form of a verb and which works as an adjective. Now look at the sentence here, wrinkled hands. Wrinkled, if we consider it is a participle adjective, then hands are the noun. So before hands, wrinkled is working as an participle adjective, and this adjective is describing the word hands. So here the word wrinkled is working as an participle adjective. It is not working as a noun because wrinkled, this is not a noun. This is not a past participle, means past participle form of a verb, but this is not working only as a verb here, wrinkled, and this is not an adverb also. So the answer is here wrinkled is working as a participle adjective. I think the concept is clear. This is the second sentence. As he was on his way to Holland Park, he dropped in to see a great friend of his. This is also taken from the Model Millionaire story. Now the question is rewrite the sentence using participle. We have to write this sentence again without changing its meaning, and we have to use participle. By using participle we have to rewrite the sentence again. Okay, so now see, as he was on his way to Holland Park, he was on the Holland Park, and then he dropped in means he went to see a great friend of his. Trevor is the name of a person here. So as he was, this was is a be verb here, so we can use this verb as a participle by using ing, by adding ing to this verb. Now see, this is the answer. Being on his way to Holland Park, he dropped in to see a great friend of his, Trevor. Actually, the base verb is be, okay, and we have added ing to the base verb be. So being on his way, the base verb of was is be, and we have added ing to the base verb be. So being on his way to Holland Park, then he dropped in to see the great friend of his. We have kept this part of the sentence same as it is in the previous sentence. So we have written here, he dropped in to see the great friend of his, Trevor. We have used participle on the first part of this sentence, being on his way to Holland Park. So the answer is this. Being on his way to Holland Park, he dropped in to see a great friend of his, Trevor.